Good morning, dear students. I am teaching chapter 15. Name of the chapter 15 is the Some Natural Phenomena, and today we will discuss about the magnitude of earthquakes. Magnitude of earthquakes. The magnitude of earthquake is most commonly accessed by the Richter scale, which was devised by an eminent seismologist and Charles Richter in 1935 and then modified into 1965 by Richter and his colleagues. Beno Gutenberg. This scale was related and thus can be used for an estimate of severity of a particular earthquake, and the scale has neither a fixed maximum nor a minimum, but earthquake rated as high as 8.4 on the Richter and scale have been measured thus far, and like many other scales such as scale for measuring length, mass or time, the Richter scale is not linear, and the above statement implies that an earthquake of magnitude 6 on the Richter scale does not have 1.5 time destructive energy as compared to an earthquake of magnitude 4 on the Richter scale. Now, intensity of earthquakes. Intensity of earthquake. Intensity of earthquakes. The intensity or destructive power of an earthquake is an evaluation in the severity of ground motion and at a given location, and it is measured in relation to the effect of the earthquake on human life, and generally destruction is described in terms of damage caused to buildings, dams, bridges and other structure as reported by witness. An intensity scale commonly used and its description of some of the criteria have been presented below for Richter scale from 1 to 10. Scale of earthquake intensity. What is the scale of earthquake intensity? Richter scale 1, description: not felt except by a very few people under special conditions, detected mostly by instrument. Second, felt by people, especially those on upper floors of the building. Suspended objects may swing. Felt noticeably indoors, stationary, automobiles, rocks, slightly. And in this 10 steps are there and you have to read. Consequences of earthquakes. What is the consequences of earthquake? Many consequences of earthquakes, because it destroy human life as well as animals life, plants life as well. So different consequences of there of the earthquakes. So first one is the building collapse, building knocked off their foundations, landslides, fire, loss to human property, economic loss, loss of human lives, tsunamis, rise and subsidence of ground surface. So different types of consequences of earthquake, and it is very destructive, and it destroy whole human life as well as plants and animals life, and it causes fire, landslides and loss to human property, physical damage to crops, different types of conditions are there. So first one is this building collapse. So high-rise buildings, when vibrations occur in the earth, then it is very harmful, and people can be trapped in collapsed buildings or under rubble that collapse into the street. And this is type of damage. This leads to the worst casualties. And the worst thing to do in a quake is to rush out into the street during the quake. The danger from being hit by falling glass and debris is many times greater in front of the building than inside. And in the 1989 Loma Prieta quake, the street of San Francisco financial district covered by broken glass and people was buried under the facade of the brick building, and that fell forward into the street. So high-rise buildings collapse, and it creates many problem. And second one is the building knocked off their foundations. Building that can be otherwise withstand the quake can be knocked off their foundations and severely damaged. So it caused damage to the buildings. Landslides. Buildings can be damaged when the ground gives way beneath them, and this can be in the form of a landslide down a hill or liquefaction of soils that can cause severe settling of the ground. And ground movement can change the whole landscape, as in New Madrid quake that changed the course of the Mississippi River. And a landslide into a lake or reservoir can cause flooding downstream. And the kind of damage is not unique to earthquake, but can be triggered by a quake. And in the Yamfold mountains like Andes, Rockies, Alps and the Himalayas, earthquakes result into the landslide, which damage the human settlements and disturb the transport system. Because when different consequences of earthquake, and when any different types of consequences, and it cause different types of damage. Fire often break out following the earthquakes, and they can be caused by the inflammable materials being thrown into the cooking or heating fire or broken gas lines. And fires can easily get out of control since the earthquakes may have broken water mains or blocked roads firefighters need to use. And there are many demands made on the emergency response system that slow down response to fire. And in the 1906 San Francisco earthquake, for example, the fire that followed the quake caused more damage than the earthquake itself. And at the occurrence of earthquakes, short circuit of live electric wire and damage to blast furnaces in factories and other fire-related appliances caused devastating fires. And consequently, more damage to life and property occurs from these fires. So, fire is the consequences of earthquake, and the more destructive earthquake that occur in India during the last 200 years. 16 June 1819, Kucha, that is the Kuch, Gujarat, death toll 2000, magnitude 8.0. 10th Jan 1869, Assam, magnitude 7.5. 30th May 1885, Spore, and 7 point magnitude is the 7.0. 12 June 1897, Shillong, Meghalaya, 1542, and magnitude of the earthquake was 7.5. 4th April 1905, Kangra, HP, 19,500 and magnitude 8.7. And 8 July 1918, Srimangal, Assam, and magnitude 8.0. 2nd July 1930, and Dhubri, Assam, magnitude 7.6. 15th January 1934, and Bihar Nepal border, that is the 10,700, and their intensity was 7.1. And 26th June 1941, and Andaman Islands, intensity was 8.3. And 23rd October 1943, Assam, and intensity was 8.1. 15 August 1950, Arunachal Pradesh, China border, 1526 death toll, and magnitude was 7.2. And 21st July 1956, Anjar, Gujarat, 113, intensity was 8.5. And 10 December 1967, Koyana, Maharashtra, death toll 177, intensity was 7.0. And 19th Jan 1975, Kinnaur, intensity was 6.5. And in next came 6th August 1988, Manipur, Myanmar border, intensity was 6.2. And 21st August 1988, Bihar Nepal border, 900 death toll, and intensity was 6.6. Then 20th October 1991, Uttarkashi, UP, Uttarakhand, 2000 death toll, and magnitude 6.4. 30th September 1993, Latur, Osmanabad, Maharashtra, 9,748, intensity was 6.3. And 22nd May 1997, Jabalpur, MP, intensity was 6.0. And 29th March 1999, Chamoli, Uttarakhand, 6.8. And 26th Jan 2001, Bhuj, Gujarat, 30,000 death toll, and intensity was 8.1. And 8 October 2005, Kashmir, 70,000 death toll, and magnitude 8.1. So this is the history of the earthquake have done great damage to the both human lives and property, and the major consequences of earthquakes are deformation of ground surface, damage and destruction of human establishment and structures such as building, railways, lines, roads, bridges, dams, towns and cities, loss of human and cattle lives, and devastating fires, floods, landslides, and disturbance in the underground levels. And some of the adverse consequences of earthquake have been illustrated in the next. Still here, you will take the revision.